Look, oh, so nice. Kelowna, yeah.
Head east toward Water Street.
You know. Victoria BC yun, Daring. Ito, Kelowna. Ano, ganda? Ganda, no? Para sa Manila yacht siya. Ella, hello.
Hello.
Where are you today, Ella?
I don't know. I don't know.
Ha? Dito ka sa Kelowna.
10 o'clock yung isa, no? Anong oras yun? Ano yung 10 o'clock?
Yung cherry picking?
Hindi, yung sinerch mo. Yung sinerch ko, 10 o'clock tayo mga open. Dito rin sa Kelowna. Sinerch mo pan.
Nakalimutan ko na kung ano yun. Ito yung park nila. Doon sana tayo dapat nag-park ko.
Yan tulo kasi ng mga park.
Eh, first time eh. Parang nga maganda doon sa kabila eh. Doon kaya tayo sa kabila. Uy, doon tayo sa kabila, Kaden.
Wala na dito eh. Puro park
Oo.
dito eh.
Ba't ka galit?
Ang park doon.
Oh, di ba, Sel? Ella, you want to pee? No? Sure ka? Si Ella yung nakadress na naka ano. Ang outfit ni Bonel. Si Kaden nakapagpalit. Ang daming ano ni Kaden ngayon. King Tops. Tops silog. So, yes. Saan?
Maximum 30 minutes kasi.
Sayang nga eh. Lipat mo na lang kaya.
Hindi, pwede ka naman magtulog ulit eh kapag is-card mo.
Ay, ganun?
Tulog ulit.
Ah, akala ko hanggang 30 ka lang. O, dito mag-picture kayo, oh. Mga turista.
Come on.
Go, King Ditch. Wow!
Kaya ito, mayroon nakalagay din, accident prone.
Ay, nilagay niya na yung bangka niya, Daryl, oh.
Ayun na.
Malinis yung tubig. Kita mo yung ano. Ganyan. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda dito, no? Ano lang siya? Oo. Sarap sa ice. Sarap sa ice.
Hirap maging ano dito, Uber driver saka Uber. Lalayo.
Oo. Masaya sila. Oo.
Mas babayaran sa'yo, tres.
Hindi na. Wag na, uy. Wag na, uy.
Tapos lahat may pay parking.
Diba? Ganda. Uy, Daryl. Picturean mo nga ako dito naglalakad. Ayan. Rent me. Sabi, rent me. Daming tour dito, no? Yan siya. Ganda. Parasail, oh. O, Daryl. Gusto mo?
Wala ko souvenir.
Wanna fly? Oh, lipad na daw. Wanna fly? The dog is cute, oh. Ha?
Tatanong-tanong ka pa kayo dito. Tapos ka pa ba yun?
That dog is so funny.
Ay, naayos kasi.
Oo. Uy, Kaden, look, oh. Ganda, no? Daryl dito, no? Nakaka-relax yung ano nila. Okay, din, no? Oh. Okay din, no? Ang ganda ng landscape na yan. Pwede dito mag-picture. Kaya nga.
Doggy again.
Doggy again.
There's a nice doggy in this place.
Uy, ang ganda dito maglakad, Daryl. Oh, picturean mo nga kami, Daryl.
A few moments later.
Come on! Lagi.
Don't go to the water.
Oh, look. It's nice here, right?
Yes, look at Doggy with the
Mm. Lakas ng hangin. Ganda!
Bakit yan?
Ganda. Parang ganito rin sa BC. Ay, sa Victoria. Pero mas maganda pala parang mas maganda dito. Saan? Ay, oo. May pa-beach naman sila. Saan na tayo? Hindi na tayo nakapunta dun sa ano? Sa gitna, no? Lakas ng hangin. Oh, namumuka. Ah. Oh, mahulog ka dyan, ha? Malalim yan. If you fall there, bahala ka. We're just saying bye, Aiden.
Stop it! Stop it, everything!
Grabe, paulan na siguro to. Pero this side naman, maliwalas. Yeah. Wow, so nice.
The clouds are black.
Yeah.
It means it's raining.
Oh, let's go on this side.
That's it's raining. Let's go away. Go away.
Come again another day. Wow, so nice. Oh, stand here. I'll take a picture of you. Oh, be careful. Go there, Ella. Okay, one. So nice. One. Ella, look at here. 1, 2, 3. Look here on the panda. Panda, Ella. Panda, Ella. Look at the panda. Hello. Let's go na. Gusto mo magwiwi? Magwiwi ka na muna doon. Ganda, no? Tapos yan bahay mo. Dito tayo. May akyatan ba dito? Okay. Wait, picturean ko lang kayo. Oy, picturean ko kayo dito sa ano. Ayan, yung view. Ganda. O, tas mag cherry picking na tayo. No? Ha? Open na yun mamaya. Sakto. Mag-aalas 10 na, di ba? Oh. Hindi, titignan ko kung gano'ng kalayo yan from here. Tapos doon sa winery. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Then let's go. Yeah, let's go to Vernon. Then balik na. Hello, picture. One, Ella. Ella, 1, 2, 3. Looking.
We're at home. We're gonna watch TV at home. When we get at home.
Wala dito.
TV.
Ang souvenir shop, 2 minutes away. Pero ang problem, kung may parkingan.
The parking lot.
Anong oras pa tayo alis dito?
9:52.
Anong oras na ba?
No,
Pwede naman na tayo. Diba? Wala eh. Puro sports center, garden. Hanap tayo. Sayang din, no? Minsan ka lang magpunta dito. No?
got it.
Let's earn magnet.
Yes, to have the world record for the most magnet. And when I have more money, what they'll give us money for that world record.
World record. Okay.
Get that money.
Wait lang, hanap ako.
One eternity later.
So, pupunta na kami guys sa winery.
Why?
We're going to take pictures and drink wine. Just kidding.
No. We need to take pictures, Mommy. Make more pictures than go somewhere.
So, yeah.
Look at me, I'm funny. I'm funny. I'm funny. I'm funny? Huh? Huh? Let's go for a ride. Let's go.
It's the joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great-grandmother's smile. We came a long way, but we ain't slowing down. We got a strong pace. No, we ain't losing ground. We won't give up and we won't turn around. No, look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it. I know I've got I know I've got Can't be wasting my time. You make friends all along the way to break bread on another day. Always there to give you advice, help you find the wrong from the right. Even when you're not in their sight, you'll be alright. Just look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, just keep running until you discover it.